This video tutorial will demonstrate how to migrate classic CADSTAR documentation symbols into the eCADSTAR master library. Firstly, in CADSTAR, open a new PCB design and schematic and save. Then add the documentation symbols to the blank schematic. Then export the schematic as a schematic archive. Now do the same in the PCB design. Then once the documentation symbols have been added, export the design as a PCB archive. Now the preparation is complete to migrate into eCADSTAR. Open up eCADSTAR Schematic Editor or the PCB Editor to access the CADSTAR Design Migration tool. Then point to the CADSTAR Schematic Archive and the PCB archive we have just created. Click Next and point to your CADSTAR to eCADSTAR mapping file. Then specify an empty directory to place the eCADSTAR migration. Once the migration is complete, eCADSTAR will then open up a schematic design and a PCB design containing those documentation symbols. When eCADSTAR migrates a design, a local library is created within the design folder. Next, open the master library and the local library. Within the local library, you will notice that eCADSTAR has generated footprints and symbols for the documentation symbols. Highlight the symbols, right-click and copy symbol. Next, in the master library, right-click and paste. Now repeat with the footprints. The documentation symbol can now be added to the PCB design as a non-electrical footprint, and the symbol can be added to the schematic design. Now the documentation symbol migration is complete.